Among Us does sound fun. Idiot's fun. It is when I'm in the mood for it. See, I had to sneeze, Matt. There goes this. There goes it. Excuse you, Menev. Yes, it's definitely a little worse, Brandon. My tongue is not purple. You thought it was expensive, Sham, or like you're surprised it was so cheap? Like you're surprised it was really expensive or cheap because it was Target. 69. Oof, I gotta sneeze. No, it didn't go away. No, no. Oh my god, no. It didn't come out. Fuck. That is unsettling. No, I'm not okay. It didn't come out. It's stuck. I feel not well that it didn't come out. It's so annoying, Smoked. Oh my gosh. Like, it's probably... I feel like I have to sneeze. That's so annoying. Anticlimactic. Tell me about it. Stare into the light, you'll sneeze. I'm sure of it. It works for me 100%. I can stare into this light. I don't think that's gonna work for me. With another woman. I have to sneeze. Jesus Christ, sorry. That was a weird one. Okay. I'm fine. I have to sneeze.
Like, Danny, I got a question. When you're in the car, are you a windows down girl or air conditioning?
Windows down every day.
Yeah, dude.
Small asteroid currently named as SAR 2667 exploded after entering the Earth's atmosphere. The asteroid, about a meter in diameter, was found over Western Europe. Oh, fuck. Ah, fuck, that hurts so bad. Tony and I are headbanging. Oh, and Chef Easy, imagine. Thanks, D-Mark. Thank you, Blairzy. It has returned. Yeah, sometimes I get, like, a little bit of sneezes randomly. Oh god, it hurts. It hurts so bad. Sure, Blairzy. Oh god. Okay, Noodle. See you later. One day. Hi, Snirl, what's up? I'm totally fine. Totally fine. I have not even sneezed the entire stream, Snirl, until now. Shut up, Noodle. I'm not sick. I literally have allergies. Oh, I think I feel a sneeze coming. Ow.
Many countries in Europe. Somehow we both chose the US. You know, like any university in the US we could choose. Somehow we both chose my uni because it's... Bless you.
Thank you. Sorry. Yeah, no, you know, if you feel like it's time to move on, you move on. That's good. I gotta pee after this game. No, I agree, Bodhi, but you know, we're not gonna stir the pot here. I told you I hate builds. Hi, Mac. Everything's good. How are you? Oh, there was like a pre-sneeze to the sneeze. Well, I'm sorry, Zach. Magic 25 gifted. Insane. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, you're the focus skin. So I saw you last game. I didn't know that was you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, fuck. Is a gas expert. Yes, ma'am. Dealing with the gas shortage in Florida right now.